dares to disturb my sleep?
Please forgive me. I will help you someday.
You are too small, but I will let you go. Help! Someone help me!
Don't worry, I will save you!
Thank you, my little friend. And kindness is always rewarded. You are my brave little friend.
And you are my gentle giant.